Hey there, it's Liz from No Trace. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 gifts to sew for a tween girl. So let's go. The first gift idea for a tween that you can sew is a toiletry bag. Now, this is a nice DOP kit style toiletry bag. It holds a lot. It holds deodorant, chapstick, hairbrush, makeup if your tween is into makeup already. And I'm going to be linking to a playlist that has the tutorials for all of the projects that I'm mentioning in this video. So you'll want to click on that playlist. I also have a tutorial for a simpler style toiletry bag if you're more of a beginner, although both of these toiletry bags are very beginner friendly. So again, this tutorial will also be in that playlist. The second gift to sew for a tween girl is a super simple scrunchie. This is very beginner friendly and my tutorial is going to be in the playlist. You might want to find out what colors your teenager is into these days and make her some scrunchies. The third gift to sew for a tween girl is a stretchy headband. Now these are nice not just for wearing, but they're really handy if your tween is into sports and needs help keeping their hair out of their face. It's also great for holding their hair back when they wash their face in the morning and at night. And of course, I have a tutorial for how to make one of these super simple stretchy headbands, and I'm going to put that in the playlist. The fourth gift to sew for a tween girl, or any tween, any kid really, is a pencil bag. And of course, I have a tutorial that shows you how to make this sweet little two-toned pencil bag. Again, you'd want to customize it to your tween's favorite colors. And this is just a nice, tidy way for them to keep their school supplies organized. The fifth gift that you can sew for a tween girl is a cute garland that they can hang up on their bedroom wall. Now, I have a tutorial that shows you how to make these different kinds of cute heart ornaments that you can just slide onto some bias tape or cord and sew in place. And of course, my heart tutorial is going to be on the playlist. I also have a tutorial that shows you how to make some really cute star ornaments that you could also slide onto a piece of cord. And so that will also be in the playlist. The sixth gift to sew for a tween girl, and probably my favorite gift, is a pillow cover. I'm going to link to my tutorial that shows you how to make one of these, and this is just a really sweet, thoughtful way to add a little bit of softness to their life and a little more color to their bed. The seventh and last gift to sew for a tween girl is a tote bag. I've made each of my girls a tote bag almost every year for the last few years, and it seems like they never have enough tote bags. They've got bags for dance, for school, for overnights. I'm gonna link to 3 different tutorials for 3 different tote bags. One of them is super beginner friendly, one of them has pockets, and one of them has a zipper. So go ahead and check out the playlist for all of those tutorials. What would you add to my list? Leave a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And again, the playlist is linked in this video and also in the description box.